Well, good morning there. I am going to try to show you some collisions of some carts. And again, not entirely certain that I have the best setup for it, but we're going to give it a try. So, first of all, you should see kind of right towards the middle of your screen a cart. We're going to call it a stationary cart. And what I'm going to do is just take another cart of approximately equal mass and run it into that one. And it would help if they had hit on line. So I'm going to try to line it up again and see if I can do a better hit. Alright, here we go. Try 2. Alright, that was a pretty good example. So, if they're the same mass, and we have this collision, you saw that this cart, the incoming cart, basically stopped, and the other cart went out at basically the same speed this one started with. But we'll see if that's always the case. Let me bring this, set this cart again. And I'm going to bring another cart in. And let's see what happens. Okay. Now, what did you notice was different? I hope you noticed that in the first example of collision, the carts hit on a spring and they bounced off of each other. In this example, the carts hit with some Velcro. Here's the loop side. There's actually, I don't know which side you call which. I think this is the loop and that's the sticky stuff, but anyway, these two stuck together. And so the first cart didn't. In fact, it was kind of like the two objects merged together into one object, and that new object moved off with a new velocity. Did you notice that it was slower? Try this again, right here. So they leave. I can go the other way. The final velocity is slower than the initial one. Yeah. I'm going to switch this back. Let's go back to the collision with the springs. This one comes in, that one leaves. This one comes in, that one leaves. Okay? What if they both come in together? They both leave together. What if the two Velcro ends come together? Well, look at that. It's worth repeating. So they come together and they just stop. What if we add some mass to one? So this cart now has more mass and we have a collision. Boy, that slowed down a lot. What if the heavier one's coming in? Slow it down a little, but not so much. What else can we try? So, let's see. Let's try the spring collision with some books. Did you notice that this one backed up a little bit? Now, these carts all have some friction on the wheels, so there are outside forces influencing what's happening, what we're seeing. But you did see this cart back up some. Set this one on the mark. Let's bring in our other cart. you can see that the heavier incoming cart slowed down a little but kept moving forward. The lighter outgoing cart took off faster. All right? All of this is going to get into the concepts of conservation of momentum. I'll pick that up in my video on the board.